What is up, Nerd Nation? Welcome back to another episode of me opening Pokemon cards. And today we're going to talk about the newly released promo cards at McDonald's. Of all places, McDonald's. Roll that intro. So if you haven't been to a McDonald's recently, aka today or yesterday, then you probably didn't know unless you saw something on Facebook or in the news, because it's probably been in the news because everyone's buying them up. As we all know, the craze for Pokemon cards is full swing, just like the 90s.
Some experts say the entire Pokemon phenomenon is the enemy.
In my opinion, parents should not let their kids watch Pokemon, play Pokemon, buy Pokemon cards, have anything whatsoever to do with Pokemon, because the message is violence.
But many parents disagree.
It's really, I think, an okay thing for the kids because they learn to save their allowance, to budget for it, and they learn to trade and be kind of reasonable with their friends.
Wherever you go, whether that be Walmart, McDonald's, Target, just about anywhere, if they sell Pokemon related items, it's sold out. And now McDonald's is on the list. Today we're going to be opening up the toys that are included with a Happy Meal. So right now, if you go to McDonald's and you get a toy, it will come with a 3-pack booster pack. And it looks a little bit like this and this whenever you get it. So within this, it has a booster pack, and then they have 4 different options of what you can get. I only have 2. That's all that was available around me, and I wasn't going to drive around to more McDonald's to see if they had any. But inside of it, it will have a booster pack. And let's see what else we got. I think, oh, there's more to it. So this is the sticker pack. And with these stickers, it's all the starters. You can put it on this little booklet. As you can see, it's got the 25th anniversary logo on it. Very cute. And then it comes with this booster pack, which I think I said 3, but it actually does come with 4 cards. So what I'll do is, let's see if I can find a different version. These are all 2s. Here's a 1. So in the 1, there's the booster pack, and then it comes with this little constructible booster box. So you can put this together, and then you can put your cards in it. Let's put that together real quick. Let's see. I got to be smarter than the average 4-year-old. Or, to be fair, their parents probably put it together for them. But yeah, so you just put your cards in here. And then you just slide this on. And you got a little booster box. Very cool. Ah, there we go. That's very cool. I'll have to... I think it might go the other way. I think it goes this way. Not sure it really matters. But very cool. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open up the rest of these, take out the booster packs, and then we'll open those. Alright, so we got them all opened up. We'll switch cameras real quick. What I got to mention is they also have these really cute Pikachu Happy Meal boxes. And then on the side, you can actually take this out and put ears on the box. But for right now, I'm just going to leave it as is. I think it's very cute. It was in my thumbnail as well. All right, so let's look at these. So I was able to pick up about 20 of these. You can buy these individually, or you can just get a Happy Meal and ask to include the toy. I will say that if you're going to do this, please be respectful. There are people that are going to the different McDonald's and buying like an entire case, which is about 150 of these. I picked up 20 of them, and I felt kind of bad even just getting that, even though I did have a use for it. It wasn't just for scalping or flipping or anything like that. I bought these to open here on the channel so that you all can see what they look like. Please be respectful to the employees that work at McDonald's. They're just following rules, and honestly, these are reserved for kids, so if you're going to buy them, don't buy out an entire McDonald's. All right, rant's over. Let's go ahead and get into this. So I haven't looked too much into these, but I believe the hollow card is the first card. So it does come with 4. I thought it was 3. 4 is even better. So we have a Snivy, Poplio, Rowlet, and a hollow Totodile for our first card. So overall, these look pretty good. I believe they are made by the Pokemon Company, so there's nothing... It's not like these are fake cards or anything. It does have hollow bleed on this, so you can kind of see that the foil does come all the way down. Overall, these look pretty cool. This is a very different hollow pattern than I'm used to. And then you'll see it's got the 25th logo right here. And then in the bottom corner of all of these, it also does have the promo icon for this set. So overall, these look pretty cool. I believe they're just all starters for this whole set. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and open up another one. Overall, I'm kind of hoping for a Charmander or a Pikachu. I'd really like a Cyndaquil as well. He's actually my favorite starter. I really like the original Kanto starters, but I think Cyndaquil is pretty cool. I will say, though, that they definitely screwed up Cyndaquil and Typhlosion. The whole set in Pokemon Go just looks weird. Add the flames back. It just looks weird. All right. So we have a Grookey, a Cyndaquil. That's what I wanted. I want a foil of it, but it looks really cool. Litten and a Grookey Hollow. Very cool. Very nice. All right, I did already see the foil, but I don't think the camera saw it, so we're gonna hide it for now. Grookey, another Cyndaquil, and a Litten. Oh, a Litten, and then a Poplio Hollow. Nice. All right, I'm not really sure how to organize these. All right, I'm back. So I got some sleeves. Did not think about that for this video, but now we got some. They're very cool. This foil, it's probably not my favorite, but it's different. It's different, which is not always a bad thing. All right. All right, we're gonna try and avoid spoiling it now. Ah, I saw it. All right, got Snivy, Poplio, Mudkip, very cool, and a Bulbasaur. Nice. Kanto vibes all day. Let's see, we got 2 water and 2 grass. We need some fire in here. All right, so we're gonna do a better job of making sure we don't spoil it. Because although there's only 25 cards in the set, I still want to be a little surprised. So we got a Bulbasaur, Cyndaquil, Scorbunny, nice, and a Litten Hollow, nice. So with there being only 25 in the set and I have 20 packs, I'm not going to get a complete set of all of the hollows, but I have a feeling that the price is going to come down on these pretty quick. McDonald's is a giant company. I think they will be able to get as many of these as they need, and there's going to be a huge abundance, so the price is going to come down pretty quick on these. Ooh, we got a Pikachu. First one. Nice. Chikorita. I think that's the first time we've gotten that. Totodile. And a Cyndaquil. Very cool. I think there may be a little bit of a printer mark right here. I'm not pointing at the cloud, FYI. I think there's like an actual line, but I don't think I can pick it up on the camera. But very cool. That's the one I wanted, so very happy about that. Also, if you've watched some of my other videos, usually I'll put kind of like an idea on pricing in the bottom. I'm not going to do that on this one. Partially because like this came out today. I don't really think there's going to be a good idea of what the value of these are. I don't know that they're even going to hold value very much. And also like these are kids' toys. Like let's not worry too much about pricing and how expensive these cards are, etc. Let's just enjoy them for what they are. Grookey, Sobble, very cute. Mudkip, and a Score Bunny. Nice. I don't think we've gotten a duplicate holo yet. That's very cool. Now we got to get Charmander and Pikachu. And then I'd be happy with a Squirtle as well. But yeah, have you guys picked these up yet? Ooh, Trico. Haven't seen that one. Squirtle. Oshawott. And a Sobble. Is that our first duplicate? No. I'm shocked. Figured we'd have a duplicate by now. Alright. If you thought the Pokemon hype was going away anytime soon, you are very wrong. With it being the 25th anniversary this year, Pokemon Company has more and more and more things planned to keep the hype up all year round. The anniversary is in, I think, 3 weeks, so be ready for that. Bulbasaur, Chespin, Torchic, and a Rowlet. Very nice. Very nice. I really like this 25th anniversary logo. It's nothing crazy, but I think it's just simple enough and it's complex enough to look cool. All right. We got a Trico, Squirtle, Chimchar, and a Lit, and I think that's our first duplicate. I'm totally fine with that. I think with there being so many, I think it'll be pretty easy to pick one of these up, one of the duplicates later on eBay or something, and we'll be fine. We can get a whole master set on this. Piplup, Poplio, Chimchar, and a Turtwig. This is a little bit different. I have not seen this artwork. Let's see. That's different. All right. Let's see. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're only halfway through. That's pretty good. All right. Oh. Camera didn't see it, but I did. We got Froakie, Fennekin, Chimchar, and a Holo Fennekin. Very cool. I think the more I see this foil pattern, I'm kind of glad that it's a special edition. I don't think I would want this in all the sets. I think there's a lot better foil patterns out there, like the Galaxy or just some of the other ones in general. Yeah, Bulbasaur, Chespin, Litten, and a Snivy. Cool. Very cool. It's like kind of hard to get super excited about each one of these, even though it is nice getting holo in every one of them, but with there only being 25, there's not a whole lot of differentiation between each pack. So Grookey, Cyndaquil, Turtwig, and a foil Turtwig. Nice. I think that's another duplicate. We're still waiting on the full Kanto set. Alright. So we got a Pikachu, Sobble, Oshawott, and a Froakie for the foil. We'll have to maybe line these up by set. I don't know if I can remember all of them, but we can definitely try. Alright. We got another Froakie, Chikorita, Rowlet, and a Charmander. Nice. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of want a duplicate of him, but it's okay if we don't. Completing the whole set would also be great, but I also know that's not going to happen with just 25. All right. Yeah, Pikachu, Sobble, Turtwig, and a Fennekin. Nice. So what do you guys think of this? I think it's pretty exciting, especially with all the issues getting cards right now. I think by getting the cards in kids' hands right now, it's going to start creating a little bit of that nostalgia so that when they're older, they still want some of those packs. We got a Pikachu, Sobble, Litten, and a Snivy again. So I think it's important. I'm hoping that the McDonald's does a good job with this and continues to ensure that kids are getting packs and it's not just adults running in and buying out the whole McDonald's toy section. Got a Grookey, Cyndaquil, Totodile, and a Sobble. Cute. All right, we got 2 more packs. Let's see. I think we need quite a bit still. That's okay. Like I said, I think I'm just going to try and pick a couple of these up off of eBay or a Facebook group or something later. Piplup, Fennekin, Scorbunny, and a Mudkip. That's really cute. I feel like with this hollow pattern, it's really hard to see this background. I will not be disappointed when the Pokemon Company does not make this the standard. All right, last pack. Let me know in the comments. Do you guys think it's a good thing that McDonald's is selling packs? Have you guys bought in any? Let me know. And let's hope for a Pikachu in this one. All right, we got a Charmander, a Squirtle, a Turtwig, and a Bulbasaur. Very cute. I think we still need a Squirtle and a Pikachu from the Kanto region. So let's see if we can lay these out. So we got... So some of these are going to be really easy for me, and some of them I'm going to be like, oof. I'll do my best, people. So I think these 3 went together. That's a duplicate. So we got Sobble, Scorbunny, and Grookey together. Okay, so that one's easy. We have Cyndaquil, and his partner is Mudkip. That's good. No, Totodile. Mudkip was later. Sobble goes here. I'm pretty sure that's set right. We have Turtwig, Fennekin, Snivy. Alright, so I think... Let's see, we got Litten and Rowlet, Bulbasaur duplicate, Poplio, I think Poplio goes with this set. So we still need quite a few, but overall, I think these are really cool. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will catch you all in another one. All right, bye. Okay, Google, turn off the D-bot. Okay, Google, turn off the D-bot.